Today I'm going to show you how you can take a birdshot photo in HOTWAV W11. In the first step, open the camera up. Then click on the gear icon and look for the continuous shot. Now choose 20 photos or 10. Then go back to camera and hold the finger on the shutter button. We took 10 photos, and to pick the best one, open the gallery. Choose the best photo, click on the three dot icon and choose. Sorry, this phone is a little bit crazy. And now choose the use as. Okay, none of this device, just delete the rest of the photos and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, a comment and goodbye.